Welcome to Tector. We are going to show you how to set up an indoor gateway. Prepare gateway by attaching the antennas that come along in the accessories box. Plug the power cable into a power socket. If possible, connect an Ethernet cable to the gateway for a more reliable connection. While the gateway typically uses a SIM card for connectivity, an Ethernet backup is recommended, especially in areas with poor mobile signal. Wait until the LTE light turns on. Now, the gateway has successfully connected to the LTE network. The LED light on top of the gateway will first turn green, indicating that it's searching for a connection. Once connected to the network, it will turn blue. Place the gateway as high as possible to ensure optimal coverage. Keep the gateway away from aluminium, steel, glass, and other materials that inhibit radio frequency signals. Do not place it in a typical internet router box. Use your phone's QR reader to scan the QR code on the gateway. You will be redirected to the Tector app, where you can enter information about your gateway. Describe the gateway's location and select the distance between the sensors and the gateway. Then upload a photo of the gateway and its surroundings for future reference. Afterwards, click Next at the bottom of the page. Your gateway is now set up.